question 2, it says the random variable x takes the values -2, -1, 0, 2, and 3. It is given that probability of x is equals to x, whatever that x value is given as k into x square plus 2, where k is a positive constant. We have to draw up a probability distribution table for x, giving the probabilities and numerical fractions. Now, as we have to draw a probability distribution table, so you will have x over here and then the probability of x over here. Okay, so let's first put it in a table form over here. Okay, थोड़ी सी table. Okay, now it's fine. Now, what are the values that x can take? It is given over here. It can take -2, -1, 0, 2, and 3, right? And for that, for the probability of each of these numbers, we have been given what? Well, we have been given that if x is equals to whatever this x value is, we'll find it by k into x square plus 2. So now when x is equals to -2, in place of x, you will put -2. So -2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this will become 6k. You will write 6k over here, right? And then when it's -1, so I'll quickly go over these values. If it's -1, so 1 square plus 2 will become 3k. So I'll write 3k. When x is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2k. When x is 2 again, that will become 2 square, 4 plus 2, 6k again. And then when it's 3, so 3 square is 9 plus 2, 11k. So that will be 11k. However, we have to give our probabilities as numerical fractions. Once we have this over here, we know that the sum of probabilities is 1. So can I find the value of k? You will say, sir, we'll just add them up. 6k plus 3k plus 2k plus 6k plus 11k, and that would be equals to 1. Add them up. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 11 is 22 plus 6, 28. Please make sure that I haven't made any arithmetic errors over here. I'm getting the value of k as 1 upon 28. Now we'll put in the values. So I can just simply write it as 6 upon 28 as well, or you can simplify it as well. It's up to you. So over here, this will become 6 upon 28. You won't lose marks if you leave it like this. Then this will become 3 upon 28. This will become 2 up, when I multiply 2 by 1 upon 28, that will be 2 upon 28. Then again, this will become 6 upon 28. And then finally, this will become 11 upon 28. So this is the complete probability distribution table. In part B, you have to find the variance of x. For the variance of x, it is given in your formula sheet as well. The formula is given as sum of x squared into probability of x minus expected value whole squared. How do I find the expected value? That is simple. I'll just write the formula over here. Sum of x into probability of x. Meaning, you will multiply x with their in the corresponding probabilities and add them up. So -2 into 6 upon 28, -1 into 3 upon 28, 0 into 2 upon 28, 2 multiplied by 6 upon 28, 3 upon 11 upon 28. So you will get the expected value, you will whole square it. And over here, you have to do the same thing. The only difference is you will first square the value and then multiply with the probability. So you'll take the square of -2, that will be 4 into this, -1 square 1 into this, 0 square is 0, so this will become 0. 2 square again 4 into the probability, 3 square 9 into the probability. You will find this subtracted from the expected value whole squared, and you'll get the variance value. So start substituting this in your calculators better. So what you're doing is first x squared into p of x. So -2 square is 4 into the probability is 6 upon 28. So 6 upon 28 plus -1 square is 1 into 3 upon 28 plus 0 upon 28 is 0. Then 4 again 4 multiplied by 6 upon 28 plus 3 squared is 9. 9 multiplied by 11 upon 28. So that is your first part of the formula, and then you will subtract it from the expected value whole squared. Expected value will be -2 multiplied by 6 upon 28 plus minus 1 into 3 upon 28 minus 1 into 3 upon 28 plus 0 will 0 into 2 upon 28 will be 0, then plus 2 into 6 upon 28, and then plus 3 into 11 upon 28 whole squared. Now to simplify it for you, you can just simply cancel these terms out. They will cancel out with each other, right? And then you substitute this into the calculator, and your final answer should be, it should come out as 4.21, correct to three significant figures.